Okay, so you're on the phone with a real estate lead and you're making a great first impression. You're actually so smooth that the other person on the other line doesn't actually even know it's a cold call. They're more relaxed than a hypnosis patient in Dr. Phil's office. It's like they've known you all their lives and they could talk to you for hours. And they're literally ready to share their deepest thoughts and secrets with you and tell you everything you would ever want to know. They even want to invite you over for Thanksgiving dinner. But unfortunately, they're going to want you to cook. But why are you smoother than a martini? Shaken, not stirred? Well, obviously it's because you watched my video. Hate cold calling? It's time you love it. And now you're a master at opening and leading a conversation. But just as you're settling into this amazing conversation and you just know that you're going to get this listing, which is going to allow you to go on that vacation to Tahiti at the end of the year that you've always wanted to go on. But suddenly you realize, if I don't get to the point, I'm going to know more about this prospective client than their best friend does. And my wife is going to get mad that I'm spending more time with my prospective clients than I'm spending with her or the kids. And they need to learn how to swim and ride a bicycle. And we can't have that. So you say, thank you for sharing that with me, Jim. You really seem like an amazing, down-to-earth person. And I feel like I could talk to you all day. And I'm really looking forward to getting to know you better. And as hard as it was for me to call you Jim, I felt like I just needed to reach out to you because I help people with all things probate real estate related. And I help people with all the things that other agents just ignore and leave you to struggle with. And I wouldn't want you to have to go through that with everything you're dealing with already. And that's the reason why I've been so successful helping people like you, Jim, navigate the difficult and sometimes confusing process of selling real estate and probate. It's also why my past clients and now friends have given me more 5-star reviews than almost any agent in Las Vegas, let alone probate agents. So here's a list of some of the things we do, but there's so many. I'll just give you a shorter list of some of the things that are most likely going to be really beneficial to you, Jim. But wait, suddenly you panic and sweat starts pouring down your face like the pilot in the legendary movie Airplane. And then suddenly you're terrified and you think this plane is going to hit the water hard and you get into a crash position.
All right, now everybody, get in crash position.
And the closest that you're going to get to Tahiti is sleeping in a van down by the river.
You're going to end up eating a steady diet of government cheese and living in a van down by the river.
Because you've not only blown your vacation, you've blown your kids' college fund, and you may have to buy them generic brand tennis shoes that they're going to hate if you don't get your act together quickly. But don't worry, I got you. Consider me your autopilot.
Feet. No, wait, 34,000 feet. No, it's dropping. It's dropping fast. Why is it doing that? Oh my God, the automatic pilot, it's deflating.
God, please, no! 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 No!
I'm Ken Blumberg with Making Probate Easy, and this is the channel where you're going to earn more and live better. So it's time that you step into the cockpit of this Airbus A380 and take the yoke and land this plane and receive a hero's welcome from the people at your office, your new client, and your wife and kids. But of course, only after you let them go on the Amazon shopping spree to buy all the things that they say they need, but they're only going to use once. Are you ready? Good. I know you are. So let's go. You steady your nerves and you know you got this. Why? Because you watched this video to the end. You took notes, you left a like, and even left a comment, and are ready to be your best self. You begin. So like I said, Jim, the reason I've been so successful in probate is together with my attorney partners, we've done the research and we know what people like yourself are most likely to need when they're going through the probate process. And I've helped a ton of people like you, Jim, with the things that they need that other agents don't even want to touch. So here's a list of some of the things we do, but if there's anything that you need that I didn't mention, please let me know so I know how I can help you, Jim. So first, I help people get cash advances if they're struggling to make their payments while they're waiting for the probate court, because I know that can take a while. I can also help you clean out the property. I have amazing estate planning people that are very considerate, easy to work with, and I can introduce you to them. I also have clean out crews, and we can help you donate items to Salvation Army or Goodwill, or even just remove trash from the house and get it thrown away so we can get the house cleaned up. We also help you, Jim, with evictions or changing locks if you just had a tenant move out. We'll also install cameras or introduce you to our security patrols if that's something that you need. We offer you a free living trust creation when you let us help you with your real estate, Jim. That way your family and heirs don't have to go through the same process that you're going through right now. We help you with any repairs at the home, from roofing to plumbing to carpet to paint to landscaping, anything you might need. We have some of the most reliable and affordable contractors here in Las Vegas that I've collected from my 18 years working in real estate here in the Las Vegas Valley. We also buy land, cars, tools, and businesses because we know those are some of the things that you're gonna have the hardest time dealing with. Again, we help you with anything probate real estate related, all the way down the line to getting you a cash offer or helping you with amazing marketing if you're looking to sell the home on the resale market, Jim. And we'd also be happy to provide you with a free comparative market analysis if you think that would be helpful. Would it be okay if I text you a list of the services that we offer? That way you can refer back to it. So as needs arise, you'll have the list and then you can get in touch with me, Jim. Great, let me text it to you now while we're on the phone together, Jim, and let me know that you got it. Perfect. Now you're in their text inbox. They have your name, your company information, and a full list of services of how you can help them. I knew you were smooth. So tell me, Jim, have you considered what you're gonna do with the home? Have you thought about renting it out or moving into it, or are you thinking about getting it sold? Oh, okay, Jim, so you're thinking about getting it sold. So what do we have to do at the home to get it ready for sale? And when would you like to meet at the home? Is tomorrow good? Or would the weekend be better for you? Hey, that sounds great, Jim. I'm looking forward to helping you and also getting to know you better. You get off the phone, you're ecstatic. You take a bow, and then you look around for your wife and kids, but they're off playing with the puppy that you bought them, that now you know you're gonna have to take care of and feed and walk. And let's face it, the vet ain't cheap. So you subscribe to my channel, you give me a like, and eagerly await my new video in my Discover the Secrets to Cold Calling Like a Pro series, which is all about getting into action and showing social proof. Until then, this has been Ken Blumberg with Making Probate Easy, the channel where you're gonna earn more and live better. Until I see you, go back and watch my other videos. Discover the secrets to cold calling like a pro, or hate cold calling, it's time you love it, which will be linked on the end cards at the end of this video. I'll see you over there now.